always the bigger one is, the first one is bigger, that is a mean one. When we are subtracting, that number is smaller. This one is we are calling this one subtract, and the answer is difference. See, in subtraction, the bigger number is called mean one. Which is this one? This is a little bigger, so we are calling this one mean one. See, that is the number to be a subtract. Whatever the number we are subtracting is called a subtract. What we are calling this one? Subtract. So, what this one? This is a, in subtraction is bigger. This is a bigger. 54 is bigger. Then the number is, this one is calling mean one. Then the number to be subtracted is calling subtract. Whatever the number we are subtracting, that is calling this one subtract. The answer, we always subtract. When we are always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. A smaller number to the bigger number. See, this is a smaller number and this is a bigger number. So, what this one answer should be? We are calling this one difference. This answer is difference. Let us see here. What is this one? Subtracting from 3-digit number. We are subtracting from 3-digit number. First one, without regrouping. Without regrouping means we are not borrowing anything. So that is called without regrouping. What is one? Without regrouping. So subtract. Example 1. Subtract 237. Always there are telling subtract 237 from 548. From 548. Which is a bigger? This is a bigger. Always we have to write on the bigger. From bigger, so we have to subtract 548 minus 237. Now 8 minus 7, we have to always go to 1 place. Don't write here like this. No. We are always subtracting from the 1 place. So 8 minus 1, 8 minus 7, 1. 4 minus 3, that is a 1. And 5 minus 2, that is a 3. This is what? This is difference. What is this one? This is difference. Okay? This one is calling difference. Now, second one, subtraction with the regrouping. With regrouping. This is what? With regrouping. Subtract. Example. This is example 1. Example 1. So, subtract 357 from 845. 357 from 845. So, from 845. So, which is the bigger? That one is mean one. This is the mean one. And which is the subtracting? That is the subtract. The answer is difference. Now, let us see. 5 minus 7. 5 is 1 and 7. Which is bigger? 7 is bigger. So, always I want the mean one is bigger. Small 5 is smaller than 7. So, what we have to do? We have to borrow. Where? That is a tens place. Please give me 1. Always he is giving 1. 4 10 is here. Then 1 he is giving. So, remaining what? 3 10. 1 he is giving. 15 minus 7. 8. 15 minus 7. 8. Yes, no? Now, 3 minus 5. The mean one is always bigger. Here it is a smaller. What we have to do? We have to ask the neighbor. That is, please give me a 1. That is a 100 place. We are borrowing from the 100. So, 800 is there. When he is giving 1, then remaining 700, and here it is going 1. So, 13 minus 5, 8. 13 minus 5, 8. Now, we can subtract this one. 7 minus 3, because the mean one is bigger, so we can subtract. 7 minus 3, that is a 4. The answer is difference. What is this one? Difference. Let us go on exercise part.
Fourth chapter, subtraction. Learning object. Subtraction 3-digit number without and with regrouping. Subtract 4-digit number without and with regrouping. Check subtraction sum using subtract additions. Learn properties of subtraction. Estimate the difference. Solve the real life problems on subtraction. Warm up. During summer vacation, Neha visited the botanic garden with her parents. There, she saw different varieties of flowers. She started collecting information about them. She came to know that there were 53 true leaves. Also, the total number of flowers was 65. What is the number of others type of flowers in the garden? She counted that one tulip is a 53 and others flowers are 65. Then remaining how many? Which is the type of, what is the number of others type of flowers, other types of flowers? Now 65 is what? That is a bigger. See, remember the subtraction, the bigger number is called it mean went. The bigger 65 is a bigger, so mean went. The number is subtract is called it subtract. Subtracting what? That one, the number is subtracted is called it subtract. The difference is, that is a 12. The answer is difference. So 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 5, 1. So the answer is difference. To find out the answer, we did subtractions. Subtraction is take away some object or numbers from a group. When you are taking a object or a number from a book, from a group, that is what? Subtraction. We always subtract a smaller number from bigger number. The answer get after subtracting is called the difference. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Subtractions of 3-digit numbers is similar that subtractions of 2-digit numbers. Subtraction without regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping. Without means here it is a without any borrow from others places. So that is a without regrouping. So, for example, subtract 145 from 365. See here, from 365. So you have to write down this is a, which is a bigger, that is a mean went, and which is a smaller, that is a subtract. So first we have to make a column vertically, and afterwards we have to write down like this: 100, tens and ones, 365 minus 145. 6 minus 5, ones place you have to do first. 2, 6 minus 4 means 2, 3 minus 1 means 2. That is 222. The answer is different. This is what? Without borrowing any numbers. So this is a without regrouping. Exercise 4.1. Subtract the following. So 7,32 minus 21. The answer is 711. 732 minus 21. The answer is 711. So 377 minus 35. The answer is 330, that is the 343. 7 minus 4, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. 3 is that 100 place. So you are writing 3 only here. So 299 minus 89. So 200 we are subtracting this one. The answer is 210. The second one, last one, this one, the fourth one. 188 minus 57 means 131. Here it is a 668 minus 345. The answer is 323. Here also 978 minus 528 means that is answer is 450. 887 minus 265 means 622, and 697 minus 631 means the answer is 66. So this one you exercise you have to write down in a fair book. Now subtractions with regrouping. With regrouping means we are borrowing from the places. So first one, the example, subtract 246 from 913. 246. Which is a bigger? We have to write down first. That is a vertically we are writing. So 913 minus 246. So mean went always bigger. Here it is a 3 is smaller than 6. Oh, yes, no, 3 is smaller than 6. See, 3 ones is smaller than 6 ones. What we have to do? We have to borrow from where? That is a tens place. 1 he is giving. We are borrowing from the tens place. Then 13 minus 6 means 7. Now 1 minus 1 means 0. What have happened? Now here it is a 0. Then we are borrowing from the 100 place. Then he is giving 900. 1 he is giving. Then 10. And what happened? Then 10 minus 1, that is a 10 minus 4 means 6. Here it is a 8. 8 is coming. 8 minus 2 means, so 8 minus 2 means 6. 8 minus 2 means 6. So 667. Now exercise part 4.2. Here it is a with regrouping. All sums are with regrouping. Subtract the following. So 890 minus 336. So 0 and 6. 0 is the smaller. So we are borrowing from the tens place. Then 10 minus 6 means 4. 8 minus 3 means 5. And 6 is 100 place. Same like this one. 521 minus 335 means 1 is smaller, 5 is bigger. So we are asking from the tens place. He is giving. Then it is a borrowing. In subtraction it is a borrowing. In addition that is a carryover. So borrowing 1 and 11 minus 5 6. Here it is a 2. 2 minus 1 means that is a 1. Then 11 minus 3 means 8. 4 it is there and we have to write down 486. See. C1 807 minus 92, the answer is 715. 224 minus 15, the answer is 209. Then C 632 minus 485, the answer is 147. 454 minus 294, the answer is 160. And 910 minus 661, the answer is 49. And 514 minus 239, the answer is 275. So this is a sum. Here it is a what? Write the following in your notebook and subtract. In your fair book you have to write down these sums. So here it is what? First one, 89 from 123. When we are subtracting 123 bigger, we have to write down 123 minus 89. So 3 minus, the 3 is smaller than 9. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. What we have to do? Tens place we have borrowed. Then that is a 13. 13 minus 9 means 4. Here it is a 2 is giving. So we have to minus 1. That is a 1. 1 minus 8 means this is not subtracting. So what we have to do? So the main is smaller and subtract is a bigger. So we are asking from the 100 place. So he is borrowing from the 1 here to here. So 1 minus 1 means here it is 0. And 11 minus 8 means 3. 34. The second sum is this one. 802 minus 247. The answer is 455. So 290 minus 176, the answer is 114. And 123 minus 91, the answer is 32. And 912 minus 456 means the answer is 456. 912 minus 456, the answer is 456. The seventh one, that is a F1's 980 minus 714, the answer is 166. Here it is 411, which is a bigger, that one you have to write down, that is a mean went, and which is a subtract, that is a subtract. The answer is difference. So 411 minus 333, answer is 78. And 615 minus 440, the answer is what? 75. So the exercise number, the exercise 4.2 we finished.